What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Quis. Another day, another vlog video out here in Medellin, Colombia. Whatever, either way, it is Sunday and today's gonna be another great day out here and we're gonna enjoy ourselves. So Nikki signed us up for a tour. It's supposed to be the best
street food tour.
So this is the best street food tour in Medellin, Colombia. And we are going to try to put this to the test because I love food, she loves food, and we've only had one thing to eat today, so I am very hungry.
Play this record as frequently as possible. Then, as it becomes easier for you, play the record once a day or as needed.
To the mountain.